So, a client called me out. Something I tell my clients all the time to do is share social proof. Show what you've helped people accomplish, share what issues you're currently helping your clients with. This really is helpful in showing your audience how equipped you are to help and handle their problems. But this time, a client called me out. She was like, Danielle, where's your social proof? And you know what? I can't even be mad because I haven't done a good job recently ensuring my own social proof. And it isn't because I haven't gotten results for my clients, it's because I view my clients' wins as their own, not mine. And honestly, I sometimes feel awkward talking about them. But I am so proud of all of my clients and all they've been able to accomplish and all the progress they made. So, prepared to be sick of me because I'm about to be talking about it. Now, to my client who called me out on it, bet I'm doing it. So you need to share your client wins too. Let's go.